How to upgrade Elden Ring from PS4 to PS5. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to upgrade Elden Ring from the PS4 version to the PS5 version, completely free. Whether you have the disc or the digital edition, I'll show you exactly what to do step by step. Part 1. If you have the PS4 disc version. First, make sure you're using a PlayStation 5 with a disc drive. Insert your PS4 Elden Ring disc into the PS5. A prompt should appear on screen offering the free PS5 upgrade. Select it, download the PS5 version, and wait for install. Remember, even though you're playing the PS5 version, you need to keep the PS4 disc inserted to launch the game. Part 2. If you have the digital PS4 version. If you bought Elden Ring digitally on PS4, just log into your PS5 with the same account. Go to the Elden Ring game page in the PlayStation Store. You should see an option to upgrade to the PS5 version for free. Click it, download the game, and you're done. Part 3. Optional. Transfer your save data. To continue your journey with your old save file, you need to transfer data manually. If you have PlayStation Plus, upload your save from the PS4 to the cloud. Then, on your PS5, go to Settings, save the data and game app settings, cloud storage, and download it. You can also use a USB drive if you don't have the PS Plus. Keep in mind, not all PS4 saves are compatible with the PS5 version, so results may vary. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to upgrade Elden Ring from PS4 to PS5, plus how to move your saved data if you need it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.